is not a drill, it is officially Vlogmas day 1. I had to get in the festive spirit and start this video with the tree on. I can promise you it is in the morning, however it is literally the most darkest, horriblest day outside, which is not gorgeous. Plans for today have changed slightly. I was meant to be filming a really fun, really fun Christmassy video with Karis. However, everything's a little bit everywhere and we decided we're going to change it to next weekend instead because she's ill. I've got a lot going on today, which you'll see. A bunch of like Christmassy content planned to film throughout Vlogmas and some really fun videos. But today's just going to be a gorgeous little vlog. So I'm going for dinner with the girls in Mayfair tonight. And then today, I'll be packing and organising my life because I'm going to Disney tomorrow. Disney at Christmas, are you joking? I've only ever been to Disney twice and that was once when I was like Disneyland. And that was once when I was 4, I think. And then the next time I went with school, Luke actually surprised me with this for our anniversary because it's our anniversary on Monday. And you're all in the loop, it's actually Saturday today, but because I'm going to Disney tomorrow, I wanted to make sure that I definitely had my vlog up, ready, edited to go for Vlogmas when it starts on Monday. Let's go make my morning coffee. So I just realised I haven't actually shown you like properly my tree yet in any of my vlogs, but this is her. She is gorgeous. Real with you all, I really wanted to have a tree covered in bows, but I just didn't have time to do this because fun fact, this has actually been up since the 1st of November because I actually had to put it up for an ad with a brand that I was filming with that was like for Christmas content that wasn't going to be going up for a few weeks. The brand wanted a super quick turnaround on the content, so the whole thing ended up being a little bit last minute. And then I was also like, I love my tree though, she is gorgeous, but you know when it was like big red bows? But then I just couldn't trust myself out of that. I was like, you know what, same decorations. Next year we'll do the redecoration, but I think she's gorgeous. Sorry about my kitchen lighting, by the way, it's really not the best. I really should just get my light out. Maybe we'll do that actually. Hello. Let me know if you think that's better, because I just do sometimes like the natural light vibe, but realistically, yeah, you can actually see me now. So let's make my morning iced coffee. An espresso machine. My prized possession is this machine. You should see my Christmas list. It's literally got all Nespresso pods on it. I have posted this in YouTube shorts, so I don't really want to be rambling on about this. I'm gonna be making my little brown sugar coffee. This is just the way it starts with the day. This is prime example of me being me. I wasn't meant to be having this now, I was meant to shower. Oh, okay, I guess we'll have my coffee now. I wanted to have this whilst I was getting ready. I'm just gonna have it now because it's in my brain that I'm having it now. A little bit smaller today because I realised that this pod that I use is an espresso pod and doesn't give loads of coffee, so I've decided to stop filling up so much. Gonna put on my sticky toffee cold foil. Gorgeous, I made that perfect today. To get the postman a present because I just feel like he's really not enjoying himself at the moment, but he's so lovely. And I'm like hell because, to be fair, he exact words were he would rather have 10 parcels come to one house than 10 parcels at all different houses, because that's how many parcels I had delivered. Guys, all my Christmas shopping, I've got the sickest idea for Lou's Christmas present this year. Everyone, this is Lou's new work uniform. His business, so he like done all the tops and stuff. And I said, wow, you've really got with the trends here, because I said this high neck's really in at the moment. I've got one and it's really soft actually. The lining on this is incredible. I'm cold and this is keeping me warm, like, you joking? Current situation, I would do a full pan, but I'm just making sure none of my dresses are in frame. We need this big box. Yeah, I absolutely did just have the Christmas tree lights on for the intro. I opened this because it's got some organisation bits in and I want to try and do a little bit of an organisation of the house before I start getting ready. My new phone case in it. Stop. I got this for the downstairs bathroom. This is tiny. To put tampons and toilet roll and wipes and things in. I've got these because I need some of these to go in my makeup drawers upstairs. Okay, that's gorgeous. I've got to build no, I got photo frames. I should have just got photo frames from Amazon. I guarantee you I'm gonna have to build photo frames. I got this little print that says how lucky are we on. I've got some new chopping boards. I also got a shoebox holder because I've got some gaps in my wardrobe room, which I'm thinking this will be really good on. So you can fit 2 pairs of shoes on each shelf, and then I've got 8 racks, so I've got some like spare spaces I could put this, just to put some trainers on. It's not gonna look cute, but it's gonna kind of be out the way anyway. No, I got this from my upstairs bathroom. Insert photo. I need you guys to see the photos of these. That is ridiculous. That's so small. That's like a quarter of the size that I thought it was gonna be. Also, I thought it was hard. This is my new Christmas phone case. Look how cute that is. I should not be allowed to order things. I got this from my iPad. Maybe we'll just have it for my Okay, maybe we'll use this one for my laptop. To be fair, I did need a laptop case, that's fine. Everything happens for a reason. Everyone, is my photo frames. Like, where's the glass? Spent the past two and a half hours moving so crazy. Like I've been meaning to do for the past 2 or 3 weeks. Today was the day I decided that I'm gonna do it. Bearing in mind, can I just say, I need to leave in 2 hours. I've not packed for Disney, so I've done something that is technically irrelevant because I'm not even going to be really at home for the next 4 days. If you watch my videos, then some of you will probably remember, please also ignore this, I'm kind of mid just sorting out this last of the scraps of what was in my drawers. The desk used to be under my window. Then I moved it to here, and now she's been on the move again, and now she's here. You're probably thinking, Shannon, your lighting is way better just having it under the window with the natural light. This is for filming purposes because I've got new lights. So I've got these new lights here, and then I'm going to sort out this situation, and then I'm going to have a big lamp here which I think could be really cute. What gave me motivation to do this today is because in my big order that came, these little organizer trays, so I've kind of organised my makeup. I say kind of organised, this is as organised as it's going to get for me. I also got some just to do my skincare as well. So this is the current drawer situation. Also I've got my touch lamps. I'm so happy about them. They've been in my other drawer and I found them and I was like, yes. So excited for this new little setup for my videos because I can have more of this in the background. So I can decorate that a bit more. I have a gorgeous lamp. Already. Stop, look how bright it is. I want to see how it looks on my camera. She look awful right now, by the way. I'm going to look gorgeous in a second. Look how good that looks, mate. Oh my God. I've just had really... Perfect, finally. Just the worst when it comes to interior designing. Like, I'm not good with things like this. But finally, I've been living here for like over a year and I'm finally getting there. The way I wish I could give off clean girl aesthetic, and I've just done this whole beginning of this video looking like this. Anyway, I'm gonna shower, wash my hair, and then when I get out of the shower, I'm gonna try the Soul Skin Tanning Moisturiser because I've heard really good things about this and I don't want to be like dark tan, but I've got an event in London next week and I want to be bronzed. So I'm gonna see how I get on with this. Really scared to fall into the fake tan trap, basically. I have showered, washed, curled my hair. I actually use my curler today instead of my Dyson. Feeling crazy. I think I might pin curl my hair tonight using this just so my hair holds better because I'm gonna be at Disney like all day and not have time to redo my hair. I'm just using the Rhode Pocket Blush. This is the shade Toasted Teddy. I got this when I went to Sephora with Holly and it is like the perfect, gorgeous, wintry shade. I'm currently just watching the new season of Stranger Things on my iPad, but like the first few seasons are good, but I genuinely am just like not sure what's going on. In season 5, like I know what's going on, but I'm like, I don't really get the point of it all, do you know what I mean? Caught up on pretty much everything else, so I was like, I might as well watch it considering I've watched all the other 4 seasons. I also have no idea what I'm going to wear tonight because this has been planned in, but not properly planned in. I have anywhere booked until this morning and I was unsure whether we were going to end up doing something because basically I'm going out with the girlfriends tonight. Boys are also out, but we're going for like a gorgeous dinner. I think I'll probably end up coming home after dinner because I don't want to be out too late because we've got to leave at 4:30 in the morning and I need to come back and pin curl my hair. I just thought, you know, it'd be nice to go and see the girls and just have a gorgeous little dinner. I haven't tried this before. It's the Iconic London Velvet Blur Powder and I've had this for ages. I just haven't tried it. I'm usually a Huda Beauty powder stan, but this is so nice. You joking? Wow. It's giving flawless. I'm kind of in a little bit of a rush because there's no trains running from my local train station, so I'm having to get an Uber to one that's like 15-20 minutes away. It means I need to be ready even earlier and I was going to drive because I'm not planning on drinking really. Because of the trains not running, I'm kind of scared that parking is going to be a bit of a nightmare and I don't want to risk driving there and then not being able to park. I'm ready, but I don't know what to do because I don't think I'm going to be able to. I've been stressing. I actually don't even think I'm going to be able to make this train if I drove it, but I don't know if there's going to be parking. I don't know what to do. It's literally touch and go whether I wait for the Uber, but the Uber's not going to do it, but I drive. I'm also going to miss it because I might be able to get a car parking space. Don't laugh, I will cry right now. So I ended up driving, didn't make the train obviously because it was carnage because there's no trains running to London from like quite a few stations. I knew this would be carnage. To be fair, the car park isn't that bad. The queue to get in, I would have made it. I would have freaking made it if it wasn't for the traffic. Like I was in standstill traffic, like no cars were going. Hey, is what it is, fine. You're not going to believe what I've done again. It's Paris round 2. This time I fear it's worse. Completely forgot I'm on my period. Again, I have no tampons. I've not changed in a good decent amount of time and I've got a white bodysuit on. And I've got half an hour until my next train, so I could have just stayed at home, not rushed, change my tampon, and I would have been brilliant. Times like this, I think I should have just stayed at home, but like I wanted to go out and see the girl. Finally making it on the tube, be like 30 minutes late. it wasn't in her face. Okay, we're at Sheesh. It's gorgeous. It's so dark in here. Anyway, first we've got some sizzling shrimp and then also some bread as well. We're all like getting some bits to share. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my god, that's calamari. That looks unreal. Love banging the shrimp sauce with the bread. We also got chicken sheesh as well. Yummy. She's just about to get the train home now. I didn't even end up drinking my full wine because I was just being paranoid for some reason. But I had the meal, it was gorgeous with the girls, and now I'm like, this train is so busy. I'm home. I feel like I didn't really vlog much at dinner because we were just sat there yapping for ages, and then I literally got the train home. Got a seat on the train, by the way. This was my outfit. I don't even think I really showed you. I feel like I got dressed and my eyes closed. There's a lot going on. The video of my outfit to carrot. So when I was at the train station, I was like, this outfit is overstimulating me. I've got the diamantes, I've got the lace, I've got the fur. I open up a suitcase because I also need to pack. This is what this man does. Brings all of his stuff around and is like, can you pack for me? I've got to pack for Lou and then I'm gonna pack for me, although I still don't know what I'm wearing because basically, I'm going to London next week. I need 2 daytime outfits, which I'm gonna be getting content in, but they're also just daytime outfits anyway. And then I need 2 daytime outfits for Disney. So I'm basically trying to work out what outfits I want for London and what outfits I want for Disney. And then I'm like, oh, my outfits for Disney are just a bit boring. Like, they're not really cutesy. Like, I'm not even wearing jeans. And you know me, I always wear jeans. Pack Lou's case and then I'll be reporting back to you. I need to put some like comfy clothes on or something. Also, Soul Skin Tan. Not checked the rest of my body yet. I've got a bodysuit on, so I can't properly check, but I was looking at my hands on the train and they look gorgeous. The perfect colour, like not too dark. Look at my hands. They're like seamless. This is a slay. Because for some reason moisturiser just feels a lot less intense than tan. I am just currently packing for Disney. I packed one of my outfits. I packed the, you know, the Zara hooded faux fur jacket I got in my vlog. I paired it just with some blue jeans and then my campus. That's for one day. I should wear this now. I feel like they're kind of similar outfits. No, do you know what? It's so fun because I'm just gonna do a Disney dump of both days. So I got this jacket from Reason because it's like the waterproof one and it was originally meant to be raining, but it's not raining anymore. But you can turn it inside out so it's waterproof. How gorgeous is this? So nice. I've just paired it with some white jeans. White jeans at Disney might be a bit of a risk. I'm just going with it. I'm gonna put my Uggs on. It's meant to be raining and it's not raining anymore and I wanna be comfy, so we're going with that kind of vibe. Makes the outfit, the red Chanel. I feel like the red is very giving Disney. I think I'm gonna put a big scarf around me. This is my case packed for Disney. This fur jacket is literally taking up half of the suitcase. I've just got my pyjamas here. I've just kind of sat and pin curled my hair, even though the pin curls are kind of dropping out. Lou has just got her hair, oh, that pin's dropped out. Because he was also out in London today. I'm gonna put my hair in the bonnet. So actually I got this one from Amazon. It's really good because you can tighten it. As much as I'm ready for bed right now, like get me into bed. It's like nearly 12:30. I realised that I'm not gonna want to shower at 4 o'clock in the morning. So instead of showering at 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna quickly rinse myself off now. So kind of got a bit of that like fake tanny smell from that moisturiser, even though to be fair it's giving me the nicest colour. Like I love this moisturiser. I kind of don't even want to shower because I feel like it's going to shower it off, but I need to feel fresh because I've been in London. I look like this right now, but I'm going to wake up gorgeous. That's fine. I'm going to have about 3 and a bit hours sleep, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Luke's just currently having a shower as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1 and I will see you for Vlogmas Day 2 where we'll be going to Disney. Bye!